Hello, this is Amaka Ifeanyi, the Excel coach, and in this training, I'll be showing you how to replace the word or the acronym NGN with the actual Naira currency symbol. So let's go right into it. What we're about to do in Excel now, how to replace this, cuts across all the Office app. So when we've done this in Excel, we can see the impact on Microsoft Word, we can see the impact on PowerPoint, we can see the impact on Outlook, right? So first of all, let's see how we can replace the NGN with Naira sign. So this is what we want to do. Immediately you input the word NGN, it immediately turns into a Naira sign. How do we achieve this? Right. So the first thing is to insert the currency symbol. And how do you insert the currency symbol? Select the cell where you want to insert the currency symbol and you go to the Insert tab, and under the symbol section, click on this symbol, right? Ensure that the front is Arial, the subset is currency symbols, and definitely you find the Naira sign. And have it in mind that this can be done for any country's currency. You can just replace a word, an acronym that is popularly used, and replace it with the actual currency symbol. So you can still try this for your country's currency and see how it works. So for this training, I'm using the Naira currency symbol to illustrate this. So immediately you click on the Naira sign, just click on Insert, right? So and click on Close. There you go. So how it is started, all you do is just cut it, Control X. Let me just Control X, right? We just cut it. Then you go to your file, go to the File tab, and come to this place, Options. Click on these options, right? Then you click on Proving and click on this Autocorrect, right? When you click on Autocorrect, you come here, replace NGN. Okay, because I already have it here, then you now paste your control, just in Control V to paste the Naira sign you just cut. So when you're done, you just click on OK. You just click on OK and OK. I have already done that. So I'll just say OK. Okay, so I'll just say okay, then okay, and that is it. Right, so when you come here, all you need to do is to impute the NGN. Good, then we also impute NGN here. Good. So this is how you go about replacing the NGN word with the Naira sign. So let's try this on Microsoft Word. So I have my Word open, so I'll just put NGN. Good. Here you can just see 4,500 is the amount. Just to impute, just to impute a word is the amount, right? So you can just put full stop there, and let's try this on PowerPoint. So when you come here, impute NGN, and there you go. So you see it cuts across all the Office apps. So even if you go to Outlook, and you get the same thing. So this is definitely how you replace the NGN with the Naira sign. So whatever word or acronym you tend to use for a currency, you can actually replace that with the currency symbol, so that whenever you are about to put in that currency in either any of the Office app, you can just impute that word or that acronym, and immediately it replaces it with the currency symbol. I believe you've gotten value from this. If you have, please do well to like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload value clips on this channel. Do well to share this video to as many that you know that will benefit from this training. Thank you, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.